In this lesson, I will explain to you about uniform distribution. Uniform distribution, also known as flat or rectangular distribution, is a distribution that has constant probability. So see, we have seen two or three concepts here. One is the rectangular distribution. So if you see a graph in the form of rectangular, you can say that this is the uniform distribution. And the second is constant probability or the frequency. So see here, I have made these two columns. Here is the classes and this is the frequency. So all classes have the same frequency, or you can say constant frequency. So definitely when we will make the graph, it will show a rectangle because all the heights of all the bars will be equal because it has the constant probability. So this is called the uniform distribution. I will show you here. So first of all, you have to select your data. Please do not forget to select the data, because in Excel or Microsoft Office, if you will not select it, you cannot perform any function. Then you have to click on the insert. From the insert tab, you will see the charts group. You can find out your chart or graph from here. If you couldn't find it, you have to click on the recommended charts. Here you can find out all, but I'm going to click here, and then this is the distribution that has the constant probability. If you will draw a line here, you will see that this is the rectangle, but I will make it more prominent. So first of all, you have to select. It is very easy. You can select or click on any of this bar. So you can see the circle will appear here. It means it is selected. Now right click, and then see format data series. Just click on the format data series and you will see gap width. So reduce the gap width to 0 and then close it. So this is rectangle. I will make it more prominent. Select this. Unless or until you will select, right, then you will see this chart tool, design, format, and these three icons here. Otherwise you will not see it. So you have to first select it. Click here, go to the format tab, and this is already transparent, but I will show you from here. Make it white. This outline, it is already red. If you want, you can make it from here as well. So we will give some weight. Okay, we will make it 3 points. If you want, you can write down the title. Suppose if you want to write down uniform distribution, very easy. Right here you cannot write down, but you have to select it first, then make it like this, and uniform distribution. If you want to write down what is x-axis, what is y-axis, open this plus sign, axis title, it will appear x-axis and y-axis. So click here, write down here class. That on x-axis you have class, on y-axis you have frequency. Like this you can write down. If you want, you can write down these frequencies here as well. How? Just you have to select. Same function you can perform here, add chart elements as well. Open this. This is the data labels where you want to set. Here, here, here. Okay, we say center. Center is fine. Here, if you want, you can change the color of your graph as well if you want. So this is the uniform distribution, is also known by the flat or rectangular distribution. If you have any question, write down in comment section. Thanks for watching.